Exploring the flavor of the month, unpacking a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, flavor of the month. This phrase is widely used in English-speaking countries, and understanding its meaning and usage can add an exciting layer to your language skills. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this flavorful expression. The phrase, flavor of the month, originally comes from the marketing world, where ice cream parlors would promote a new flavor each month to attract customers. However, in everyday language, it has taken on a metaphorical meaning. It is used to describe something that has gained sudden popularity but is expected to be short-lived or quickly replaced by the next trendy thing. This phrase can refer to a wide range of things, including technologies, products, ideas, or even people, who temporarily receive a lot of attention and admiration, only to fade away as soon as the next big thing comes along. Now that we understand what the phrase means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. 1. The new social media app is just the flavor of the month. Something else will take its place soon. 2. He's the team's flavor of the month because of his outstanding performance in the last game, but he needs to prove he can be consistent. 3. That type of smartphone was the flavor of the month last year, but now you hardly see anyone using it. When you use this phrase, you're often expressing a skeptical or critical view of the durability or authenticity of the popularity of the subject in question. Understanding phrases like flavor of the month is crucial for language learners because it helps you grasp the cultural nuances of the English language. These expressions add color and depth to your conversations, allowing you to express complex ideas succinctly and engage more naturally with native speakers. Moreover, they can serve as a gateway to understanding societal trends and attitudes in English-speaking cultures. And that's a wrap on today's topic, flavor of the month. We hope this video has enlightened you on this flavorful expression and its place in the English language. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the culture and expressions that make a language rich and vibrant. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.